A very good morning, students. Today we will be completing our chapter number 6, fractions. Today we will be doing the last exercise, that is exercise 16. We have to subtract the mixed number. Here I have written two mixed number. These two are the mixed number. In between the sign of minus is there. So how to solve this mixed number? First of all, this whole number 6 and 2, these are the whole numbers. You will be writing this whole number separately, that is 6 minus 2 in brackets plus, then these two fractions you will be writing separately, 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10. Then 6 minus 2 is 4 plus, you will be finding the LCM of 5 and 10 of the denominators. So the LCM of 5 and 10, if you recall the previous chapter, 5 and 10 LCM, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. I have written here 10. Then what you have to do? 10 divided by 5. You have to, this is my rough space, you have to divide 10 by 5. So 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. So I will be writing 2 here, multiply by the numerator. Numerator is 3 minus 10 divided by 10. You have to divide 10 with 10. So we will be getting 1. So 1 multiplied by this numerator. Numerator is 3. So I will be writing 3 here. Now let us solve this. 4 plus 2 3s are 6 minus 3 1s are 3 upon 10. So what will be getting? Let us write here. This will be 4 plus 6 minus 3 is 3 upon 10. So here in the denominator of 4 nothing is there, so we can consider as 1. Now let us take the LCM of 1 and 10. Always we are taking the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM of 1 and 10, I will be writing here 10. So 10, if you divide it with 1, you will be getting 10 multiplied by the numerator plus 10 divided by 10 is 1 multiplied by the numerator. Numerator is 3. So 10 fours are 40 plus 1 threes are 3 upon 10. So 10 fours are 40 and the 3 is your remainder. So how you will be writing this into the mixed number? You will be writing this quotient first as 4. Then what is the remainder? 3. So 3 I will be writing here and 10 is our denominator. So this will be our final answer. Let us revise this question again. We have to subtract the mixed number. Here I have written two mixed number. In between the sign of minus is there, it means that we have to subtract this mixed number. So how will we doing this? First of all, 6 and 2. You will be separating these two numbers. 6 minus 2, I have written it separately, and these two fractions you will be writing here separately. In between the sign of minus will be there. Now 6 minus 2 is 4 plus, then we have to find the LCM of the denominator, that is 5 and 10. So the LCM it is 10. I have written here 10. Now we have to divide 10 with 5. So we will be getting 2. 2 multiplied by the numerator. What is numerator here? 3. So I have written 3 minus again 10 divided by 10 is 1 multiplied by the numerator. Numerator is 3. So I have written here 3. So 4 plus 2 3s are 6 minus 1 3s are 3, 10. Now 4 plus 6 minus 3 is 3 upon 10. Now in 4, no number is there, we can consider 1. I have considered here 1. So again we have to find the LCM of the denominator, that is 1 and 10. The LCM is 10. Then we have to divide 10 with 1. So we get 10 multiplied by the numerator, that is 4, plus 10 divided by 10 is 1 multiplied by the numerator, that is 3. So 10 multiplied by 4 is 40 plus 1 3 is 3. So 40 plus 3 is 43. So our answer is 43 upon 10. Now 43 upon 10, it is an improper fraction. Whenever your final answer it is coming like this in the form of the improper fraction, you have to convert it into this mixed number. How will be converting this improper fraction into the mixed number? You will be dividing 43 with the 10. So 10 4s are 40, 3 is the remainder. So quotient is 4. You have to write the quotient here, remainder upon the, what is 10 here? 10 is the divisor. So in this way you have to write quotient, 4 is the quotient, remainder, 3 is the remainder, divisor, 10 is the divisor. In this way you have to write the improper fraction into the mixed number. Now let us do one more question so that it would be clear for you. One more fraction, will be doing subtraction of the fractions. I'll be writing the next question, that is 5, 4 upon 5. This is again a mixed number. 5 is the whole number and 4 upon 5 it is a fraction. You have to subtract this with 1, 3 upon 4. Here 1 it is the whole number and 3 upon 4 is the fraction. So let us do now. First of all, you will be writing the whole number separately, that is 5 minus 1, in between the sign of plus. Then this 2 fraction, you will be writing them separately, that is 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 4. Then you will be finding, first of all let us subtract it, 4 plus, now we will be finding the LCM of this denominator, 5 and 4. So the LCM will be 20. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So the LCM it is 20. Now what we have to do? 20 divided by 5. If we divide 20 by 5, so we'll be getting 4 multiplied by the numerator. Numerator is 4 minus 20 divided by 4. So it is 5 multiplied by the numerator. Numerator is 3. So 4 plus 4 4s are 16. 5 3s are 15 upon 20. Now we can write here 4 plus 16 minus 15 is 1 upon 20. Now here denominator is nothing, so we can consider it as 1. Now the LCM of the denominator, that is 1 and 20. The LCM it is 20. 20 divided by 1 is 20. Multiply by the numerator 4 plus 20 divided by 20 is 1. Multiply by the numerator 1. So 20 multiplied by 4 is 80 plus 1 upon 20. 80 plus 1 is 81 upon 20. Again this type of a fraction, it is improper fraction. So we have to convert it into the mixed number. So you will be dividing 81 with 20. Then you will be getting the answer in the form of the mixed number. This will be your final answer. How you will be writing this? First of all, you will be writing here the divisor will come in the denominator, remainder and quotient. This is the formula of writing the mixed number. So let us revise this question again. Here I have written two mixed numbers. First of all, this whole number you will be writing separately, that is 5 minus 1 I have written, plus these two fractions you will be writing separately. Now you have to subtract 5 minus 1 is 4, plus you have to find the LCM of 5 and 4. The LCM we have done in the previous chapter. So the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4, multiplied by the numerator. Numerator is 4 minus 20 divided by 4 is 5, multiplied by the numerator. Numerator is 3. Now 4 plus 4 4s are 16 minus 5 3s are 15 and 20. Now 4 plus 16 minus 15 is 1 upon 20. Now we have to divide 20 with 1, we will be getting 20, multiplied by the numerator, that is 4, plus 20 divided by 20 is 1, multiplied by the numerator 1. Now 20 multiplied by 4 is 80, plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 upon 20. 81 upon 20. It is an improper fraction because the numerator it is greater. So we have to convert this into the mixed number. How will we converting it? We have to divide this 81 with the 20. So when we divide this 81 with 20, so 20 4s are 80 and 1 will come the remainder. So the quotient is 4. We have written here 4 quotient, 1 is the remainder, and 20 is our divisor. Like this we have to do the subtraction of fraction. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.